It was established by the United Nations General Assembly in 1972 to celebrate annually on 5th of June. The objective of this program is to spread awareness about environmental issues like climate change, pollution, deforestation and loss of biodiversity. Therefore, as we move forward, the importance of World Environment Day becomes deeper. Each year, there is a specific theme to shed light on a particular environmental concern, from air pollution, plastic waste to energy conservation and sustainable consumption. The theme of World Environment Day 2024 is Land Restoration, Desertification and Drought Resilience. Under the slogan, Our Land, Our Future, we are the Generation Restoration. Land restoration is an important pillar of the theme of World Environment Day 2024. And organizers want to unite people around the world to restore ecosystems. Our ecosystem, forests, wetlands, oceans are more vital to life, yet they face enormous pressure from human activities. Restoring ecosystem means more than planting trees. It involves reviving the natural process and relationships that sustain life. According to the UN Convention to combat desertification, up to 40% of the planet's land is degraded directly, affecting half of the world population. The number and duration of droughts has increased by 29% since 2000. Without action, drought may affect over 3/4 of the world population by 2050. The climate crisis demands urgent action as highlighted in the latest IPCC report, which warns of rising temperature and biodiversity loss. Whereas, by restoring ecosystem, we can mitigate climate change and improve human well-being. Restoration is not only important for the environment, but also economically beneficial. The UN estimates that every dollar invested in restoration could yield up in economic benefits, creating jobs and increasing productivity. Everyone has a role to play: government, businesses and individuals. Policy support, corporate responsibility and every action can make a difference. Education is important to influence future environmental managers. We need to do something effective in order to reduce the rate of climate change.
We are free to gift a plant to our principal ma'am.
There is only one earth, one chance. There is no choice. Earth is our home. It is your duty, the future generation duty, to protect our own earth. What is the theme of this 2024 World Environment Day? What? Did you hear that speech?
Land restoration, desertification and resilience.
Land restoration, desertification, drought resilience. Yes. Thank you, Lord Sunday student. Next day, 5th Environment Day. You, the people, are degrading a lot of things. Using more plastics. Land restoration, desertification, and drought resilience is the theme of the World Environment Day 2020-24. It is your duty to protect our ecosystem, revive our ecosystem. What are the ways we can protect our ecosystem, protect our environment is planting new trees. Afforestation. Here we are using the Mana Mahotsava. We are conducting Mana Mahotsava in different colleges and students, schools and governmental department. It is under in Kerala, it is under the Department of the Forest Department is doing, and they are distributing the lot of smart plants to the different schools and colleges.